Good morning, scholars. Today we're going to be breaking words apart and putting them back together. So Miss Nastasha is going to say two words by breaking it apart, and then she's going to put it back together. Watch me. Playground. Playground. All right, now you're going to try that same word. Playground. Playground. All right, now let's do some more. Remember, we're going to break the word apart and put it back together. Upstairs. Upstairs. Classroom. Classroom. Backyard. Backyard. Hot dog. Hot dog. All right, I'm going to say the word cupcake. Cupcake. You try it. Birthday. Birthday. You try it. Something. Something. Shine. Good job. Let's do two more. Bathroom. Bathroom. Cowboy. Cowboy. Shine. Good job, 3K scholars and 4K scholars. Tomorrow we will be doing more blending. See you tomorrow.